What's up? My name's Jacob Pratt. Today I'm going to show you how to do Disney in one day with all the tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Disney adventure.
With Shannon Baker and Shauna Baker, also known as
the Baker Twins.
And Crystal Lightning, my boy Red Cloud, also known as
Lightning Cloud.
And I'm Jacob Pratt, also known as Jacob. Avoid as many lines as possible. So you got to get the max pass. It costs $10. It's an additional cost, but it's totally worth it. The first fast pass you're gonna want to get is gonna be Hyperspace Mountain or Space Mountain. Certain rides like that fill up the fastest. So you want to get those like right away. So you could usually have 2 fast passes at one time. So just keeping an eye on the next time you can actually get another fast pass. So now that we got a fast pass for Space Mountain, the first ride we're gonna go on is Indiana Jones. One tip I have for everybody is there's 2 rides that I would say the lines move the fastest and that you could go on in between your fast passes. One is the Haunted Mansion and the other is Pirates of the Caribbean. Straight out of Indiana Jones and we're going straight into the Jungle Cruise. Now that we're done that, make our way to the Haunted Mansion. What?
Someone said Jacob.
Because I'm like famous.
Right? You heard that too.
Really?
Yeah.
Somebody recognized me, I guess, apparently.
I said this is a really fast lineup. I'm actually really surprised.
Check the fast passes and I was able to get another fast pass, so we got one right after our Space Mountain time. So this is the entrance to Space Mountain, probably one of my favorite rides here at Disneyland. Shannon's on live stream right now while we're doing this. Yeah, shameless self-promoting right there.
Damn right, careful.
That was awesome! What did you think, Crystal?
That was so much fun!
So we just got out of our first fast pass. Now we're going straight to Thunder Mountain and going right onto that fast pass. And as soon as we got off this Hyperspace Mountain, I was able to get our 3rd fast pass. As soon as we're done Thunder Mountain, we go across to DCA, which is Disney California Adventure, and get on the Grizzly River ride. So we're just like literally go from one to the other to the other. So it's like quick, quick, quick. Like I said, the best way is to get this max pass.
Hi, my name is Red Cloud, I'm the man. You know I'm going with the marching band. You know we do it with the caravan. I got my little brother there, he's the son of Sam. My name is Jacob Pratt, got the girls the twins. That's how I do it when I come back in. Little freestyle, you know it's frightening. Right behind me, yeah, that's Crystal Lightning. Now stop what you're doing.
Now Shauna's gonna go. Yo, it's Shauna. That's all I have. I don't know how to do any of this. I don't know how to rhyme.
No,
Don't quit my intro.
No more. Now we gotta rush over to like the other side at Disney California Adventure so we can get onto Grizzly Falls. So let's go that way. We're out here waiting for the girls again because they need to go to the bathroom again. That's what, 3 times?
That's the 3rd time. Who knows what they're doing in there.
Yeah.
Having secret meetings?
Secret girl girl meetings in the bathroom. We've done 5 rides and we're on our way to go do our 6th ride. And I now have the ability to do a fast pass for our 7th ride. And I just did our fast pass for the Radiator Springs ride, and it's not till like 8 tonight. So I did something really dumb. Lost my ticket. So I had to go to the ticket booth and get a whole new ticket, which took like 25 minutes. So Crystal, the twins, and Red Cloud, they all came in and jumped on the fast pass, and I'm just waiting for them to come off the ride.
You're not even wet. Yeah, you're the most. It's all right here on the side.
Don't do stupid things like I do.
What are you?
10th grade.
Mean. So yeah, I'm forcing them to have fun. You have fun when you're around me, or else. It's between food and the animation studio for now. So let's see where we end up. They're all rocking bread bowls. I'm doing chicken. Now we just finished watching Frozen. What'd you think, Shannon?
Love is an open door.
I guess she likes it.
Yeah, I liked it. That play was awesome though.
It was pretty
Yeah,
good, right?
I loved it.
Yeah, it's a good play. Totally worth going to see it.
Yeah, don't skip out on the shows. This is my first time going to a Disneyland show, and I had a Disneyland pass for a year.
Boom. Oh yeah. Ah! You bit it! What? She took a big chunk out of my ice cream. Okay, our next ride is gonna be the bobsled run. When we were in line for Splash Mountain, they shut down the ride. They had some kind of technical difficulties. We tried to wait it out for another 10 minutes. We didn't move. So we're bouncing, but it's 7:15, so we're gonna go jump on Guardians because our fast pass is now.
You better believe it.
I'm not excited about Guardians of the Galaxy. Neither is Cloud because we don't like drop rides. It's like,
I'm excited. I'm ready. We love these rides. We're not scaredy cats. Like you.
What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy.
holy smokes, that's intense. I hate drop rides, but I love Guardians of the Galaxy. They made it so entertaining.
Best ride I did.
You think so?
Yeah, well, thank you. They improved it. They improved it by a lot.
Last time you went, it was Tower of Terror, right?
What is this? I'm sorry, this is a tester. You can buy a bottle. $5 for this?
So right after Guardians, we had to come straight to Soarin' because now our Fast Pass is happening. So we just got out of Soarin'. The twins loved it. They've never been on it, so
Amazing.
it was super cool.
Can't believe we haven't been on it. I know. I feel like a freaking jerk. How have I been missing that ride all these years?
Yeah, for real. But now we just got off and we're gonna go straight to Radiator Springs to go ride the Cars ride. It's gonna be fun. Fix my hair now. So that's Cars ride. Top 3?
Top 3 for sure. Top 3.
We're getting here just in time to catch the parade. They're just about to come. Yeah, it's happening right here. The lights are starting up.
friends do this. And your friends do that.
Look at that. Rough seas ahead, Jack.
That's Captain Jack Sparrow. Need a rescue?
Do you? Some imagination, huh?
Alright, so that is Fantasmic. I love Fantasmic. It's my favorite show here at Disneyland, without a doubt. Everybody's leaving. I would actually stay for like that, because the park's open for another hour. I stay and jump on another 2, maybe 3 more rides, but tonight everybody's tired, so we're about to bounce. Alright, so that's the end of my day at Disney, and I hope you've enjoyed the journey. I hope you learned something. I hope the tips and tricks will help you, and we're gonna sign off now. So take care. Peace out, everybody.
Mwah.